We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, we give you a brand new shutoff valve. We went to take the old valve off, the gate valve, and the whole nipple came out of the wall, which is fine. So that was a galvanized nipple. What you have is copper, maybe I know it's copper because there's a brass adapter in the wall that takes you from whatever material, it's either plastic or copper, down to threaded. So the galvanized nipple came out, it was corroded anyway. So brand new brass nipple here, brass valve, brass nipple, and then Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. So those all flow really well. Same thing on this side, just pulled the nipple out. And another brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector, and then the extension. Relief valve comes with the unit. It's a safety relief, so pressure and temperature, something happens, this thing will pop off and it will drain out the existing line. So this is all new, the copper, and then the line with the copper going into the wall. That goes down and out to the side yard and points down, and that's the relief line. We did give you a new gas valve here. We just like to replace parts. You know, the valve was probably going to be okay, but when we put a new appliance in, we like to give you a new shutoff. So gas valve, brand new gas connector, brand new adapter going into the control valve. Upper third, we got an adjustable strap. Lower third, we got an adjustable strap. And then on the base here, we just gave you a little platform. Wasn't too bad. We wiped down these walls. There was a lot of water that had been running down the wall. Just wiped them down, and so you don't have any really residual growth of mold over there. It would have gotten to that if it would have leaked any further, but that was all nice. So give you a new platform down here because the platform was a little bit wet, and so we just capped it off 3/4 plywood. That gives us a nice base for the new water heater. Right now you're set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. It is hot as 120, A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. We recommend 120. If you want to get crazy, you can certainly turn it up. We document that because it's a liability issue. So 120 degrees, you can stand in that for 5 to 7 minutes without getting scalded unless you're infant or elderly with thin skin. So like I say, you can turn it up at 120, should be fine for showering. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.